Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be giving you guys a hair review on Megalook's hair. This is what the box looks like. So inside the box, y'all, I got this cute little pouch that has their logo in the front, and inside I have a wig cap. So it comes with this brush for your edges. It comes with a little hair clip. I be needing these, so I'm glad I got that. Alright you guys, so this is the wig. The wig I have is a full lace wig. It's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It's 22 inches and a body wave. And as you can see, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, this wig is constructed so nice, and it's an HD lace. This is what the inside looks like. You have your elastic band right here, 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, like you know they usually come, and 1 right here that goes in the middle, and adjustable straps as well, so you can tighten it even more so it can fit nice and snug. Okay, I'm really excited for this. Look at it, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's 22 inches like I said. So the shipping on the wig took about a week to get to me. So as y'all can see, it is pre-plucked. The hair is very nice and silky. I'm not sure if I got it in Brazilian, so I'm going to leave it now in the description box, every single detail on this wig, so make sure you guys check out Megalook's hair. So like I said, it's an HD lace. The hair is pre-plucked. I wish it was already like bleached. Why aren't these wigs coming already bleached? So now y'all, all I'm gonna do is tweeze this wig, and excuse my mannequin head, y'all. All this little black dots that you guys see is hair glue. I wasn't careful when I was making a wig and I was using glue for it, so it's everywhere. Alright you guys, so this is what the wig looks like on after I went ahead and plucked the front. I parted it down the middle so you guys can see. Like I said, it's a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so the parting is 6 inches, and I love a deep part. It just looks more realistic the deeper the part is. So I'm not gonna do a middle part this time. I always do a middle part. So I'm gonna do a side part. When I do my side part, I like to add like a little curve in the parting, you know. Okay y'all, so this is how the wig is looking. I'm just taking a little bit more foundation and I'm trying to cover up as many knots as possible because I don't have no bleach. Like, I ran out of bleach, but I need to get this hair video up, and I'm gonna just try to finesse it a little bit. So just gonna try to cover it, and it looks like it's working. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Got To Be freeze spray. I'm gonna spray about 4 layers in the front of my hairline, wait till that gets tacky, and push the wig down. So I'm just going to use this to bring that body wave texture back into the hair, because when I brushed it out. So I'm just going to crimp it a little bit. I'm not going to leave it on too long, and I have it on 400 degrees, so I'm just leaving it on for like a couple seconds. And there we go. And I also went ahead and cut the lace off, and I didn't do no baby hairs. On this side I just swooped it a little bit to cover up the lace, and I didn't do no baby hairs. I didn't want any baby hairs with this look. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you're interested in Megalook's hair, I will leave all the information for this hair down in my description box. The quality is amazing. I'm not as good at applying wigs, but the quality of this hair, I can tell you, it is really good, and you guys won't be disappointed. I will never promote no hair that I don't personally like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video. Actually, the next video I'm about to film right now, I'm going to be doing another makeup look, so make sure you guys subscribe to stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.